Hey Instagram, Rick here for Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, June 13th, Fed Day, and I'm going to let you guys know what we have today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4 really opportunities. This was a fifth one, but the caveat I put on it, nobody said they were in, but some people don't speak up, so it might have been a small loser if they took it. But I'll run through them real quick from left to right. And we had a crude trade. An S play, I told everybody when it was around 46, 47, I said it certainly could come back to 40. 40 would be a better entry because we're looking for a 60 test, 60 to get it above 61 and sustain above 61, which was probably going to be a short-term problem. So we wanted a better price. So I said, if you want to take this here, that's fine, but it could have just pulled back straight away. It might go up a little bit. So some people made 6-8 ticks in here. And then depending on how they managed it, they stayed in or couldn't stay in. Some people said they were going to wait for the pullback of the 40, and that did make 20 up to 20 ticks. To anywhere between 8 and 15 to 20 ticks, depending on how people manage that. And in the ES, we took a short in the ES, and that was at. It was around 93. That was an RS. It made a point. I told everybody it had to get below 91, 92. I had a level at 91, a level at 92. In fact, you'll see it's hovering around there right now, and it was really important. So it did make it down to 92, and made about a point. I said make sure that you're in a free trade and blah blah blah. So either a point or a break even. No big deal. In the NASDAQ, we tried an RS. It was around 64. Trade made, 12, 13, 14 ticks. Again, I told everybody it was critical that they closed below 175. They never did. So, I said if they're not taking it up, they're going to take it down. So a little bit of profit there. When they did go up with this big candle, I said that only if you're up huge on the day and you could go smaller. So this precludes 80% of the room. Nobody said they took the trade, but some people don't say anything, some people leave the room, whatever. So it's possible some people got short here on a death candle. That would have been a stop out, but again, it wouldn't have been a full stop because I said half position minimum or maximum, and only if you're up big on the day. And we didn't have that many trades prior to that. The big one came after that, and then we had a power play in the NASDAQ. This was our trade of the day. We had a power play, 81, 80, 50, 81 on the 1103 candle. In fact, we were waiting. I told everybody, normally we're close the room, but I want to see if we can get this because this could be huge. In fact, it's still in progress. I gave people specific instructions before I left, and we're looking to maybe it gets down to 60 at some point. But again, the bulk of the people were out of the trade. 50 plus ticks, and that was our trade of the day. Those with larger size contracts, again, they're managing it. They may have a runner left, but we did take profits in here, and we'll see if that's going to make it down to the ultimate target or lower. So that's kind of still in progress here as we're closing the room, and we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. If you're trading later, safe Fed day trading, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye-bye, traders.